Okay. I fixed my camera settings a little bit, I think. But next up, so we just figured out how to do wall touch. We figured out how to do motion. Our next task is figure out how to go to the next level. So for this game, I want the reward for me to actually be a character that I want to touch. So I'm gonna go choose a sprite. I should move me so you can see what I'm doing. So bottom right hand corner, there's two choices, choosing backdrops and choosing a sprite. I want to choose a sprite, so I can just click this. I want something so that when I catch it, I will go to the next level. And what's a logical thing for a mouse to go catch? You can catch a key, catch a prince or a princess or a shark. I think I would like to catch an electric guitar. I think that's what the mouse is after. So let's put the guitar in the corner. Let's make it a bit smaller. I think maybe 75. This is good. Let's go a little bit smaller. Let's go maybe 45. I think I like this better. Let's put the guitar here. And now what I want to do is, if the mouse detects that it touched the guitar, I want to go to the next level. And the next level should be a different maze, with me starting in a different place, with the guitar maybe starting in a different place, and a different map. That's the main thing. Okay, there's a few things for us to figure out here. So first of all, I need a touch detection to the guitar. Okay, that's my main thing. So I can do a similar thing. So in here I have a color detector. I can say, hey, if you touch the guitar, go to the next level or something like that. We'll figure out how to do the go to the next level, but to figure out how to touch detect, we should already know how to do that. So green flag forever if, again, this little structure, your best friend. If I go to my sensing, this is where I usually find what to stick inside the if, that, and operators, but for this, most of the time we're sticking with sensing. I don't like the fact that touching another character is a little bit hidden. So if you ever see a little arrow beside an option, that means there's more to it, so you can always do more things. The code to detect touching another character is actually hiding underneath the touching mouse pointer, so it's here. So if I drag it in here, and you can snap it in, if I detect that I touch the guitar, I want to go to the next level. Now, what does that mean? A few things need to change, right? My mouse probably has to go somewhere else, my guitar probably has to go somewhere else, and the map needs to change somehow. I don't have any ability to change where the guitar goes in here. So when I detect from the mouse, if the mouse detects that I touched the guitar, any code I put here will be in charge of changing the mouse, not changing the guitar, not changing the background. I can do this by letting the other characters know that I detected something. Not even a detection, I'm just letting them know that I am in this part of the code, and if they're interested, they can listen to me telling them this, and then they can be like, oh, whenever I hear that you told me this, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna give an example. So this is called broadcast and receive. So let's say you're listening to the radio, and the weatherman says there's gonna be a blizzard today. It's not the radio broadcaster's job to come to you and put a jacket on you. The radio broadcaster's job is to just say the thing that's about to happen. And it's your job, if you choose to listen to that broadcast. So you can say, hey, when I receive that message, I will choose to wear a jacket. Same thing here. So the way I can do that is inside events, I have the ability to broadcast something. So broadcast is simply a way for a character to tell other characters something happened. And I can just name my message. So I can say, level up. Level up. So that means every time I touch the guitar, I will level up. Make sense? What does the guitar need to do? And what does the stage need to do? And then maybe what does the mouse need to do? So first of all, I will have to make a new stage, so you can do that by, I'm going to move back in the corner. Maybe this was actually a better spot. No, corner. First thing I need to do, make a new stage. So I am in my stage, I'm in my backdrops. So I have my stage selected, I'm in my backdrops. I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna click paint because I want to just paint my new stage. I have to make sure I have the same color selected. So I do here. If you don't, you can come here, you can press this, you can grab the eyedrop and you can select the correct color. Make sure that your marker has the exact same color as you drew for your first stage. So maybe for the second stage, I want the mouse to start here. And maybe I want the guitar to be down here. So you see, I've actually selected the guitar by doing this. So I'm going to have to go back to stage. And I'm going to draw some walls maybe. So here. And since I'm drawing walls, it's important for me to check if my mouse can fit in. So I'm going to press green flag to activate the motion bit. And I'm going to see the tail caught. So if I cheat and drag up here, let's see if I can actually. So it's possible. It's a little tight, so I might make it a little bit wider for me. Just because I don't want to design a difficult game for now. This should be okay, so I'm going to continue. So maybe I will send the mouse this way. Like that. Maybe I will have two paths open. Maybe I want the guitar here. Let's go back to the stage. Maybe something like this. Not bad. And do we send him straight to the guitar? Maybe. I'll put some effects on the wall. How about that? And maybe here too. And maybe the guitar will be here actually. Why not? So that's my maze 2. Okay. I want the guitar to move. I want the mouse to move, and I want the stage to change. So, if I want them to detect that event, this is the code. When I receive, and then you can choose the event. So when I receive level up, and I'm in stage, what do I want the stage to do when I receive level up? So first of all, I'm going to name my backdrop. So this is going to be level 2. This is level 1. So when you receive level up, you want to switch your backdrop to level 2. Because you should start in level 1. Now, I have no code here that tells me to start in level 1. So if I ever receive level up and go to level 2 and I press green flag again, I will not end up back in level 1. And we're gonna see that. So right now, if I go and touch the guitar, let's try it. This mouse will detect that I touched the guitar, it will broadcast level up. Nobody except the background is listening. So what's going to happen is it will switch to backdrop 2. So there we go. So it switched to backdrop 2. Now if I want to play again, I want to start back in level 1, I can stop the game and I can press start. I'm still in level 2. The way you fix that is you have to program your green flag on your background too. So when green flag is clicked, I want the background to be level 1. There we go. So now if I press green flag, I'm in level 1, and if I go and grab the guitar, I'm in level 2. And still, if I touch the walls, I end up back here. However, for touching the walls in level 2, I want to end up here. And the guitar, I want it to change. So in level 1, so if I press green flag to go back to level 1, I want the guitar in this corner in level 1. Which means, similar to the background, I have to program it. So when green flag is clicked, the guitar should go to where I've put it. I'm going to put it even more in the corner. There. So the position for the guitar, 226, 140, is right now in the corner. If I drag the code, there we go. In level 2, I want the guitar to be kind of somewhere else. So if I go and get the guitar to make me switch to level 2, that's not where I want the guitar to be. I want it to be here. This is okay. Which means whenever I level up, I want the guitar to go to here. So that's where I am right now. And I want the same thing with the mouse. So whenever the mouse receives level up, I want him to be here. Which means when I receive level up, I want to be over there. Now if I press green flag, I should start in the corner. And if I go and grab the guitar, there we go. Now I'm in level 2 and I start somewhere else and the guitar will be somewhere else. And if I go get the guitar now, it will still be in level 2 because it will detect touching the guitar and it will broadcast level up. And level up, the way I've programmed it, is a way to set me up for level 2. There we go. So nothing changes, which is exactly how we've programmed it to be. And for me to restart, I press green flag and everything should come back to green flag. I'm going to show you a problem now. If I go and get the... So if I touch a wall here, actually, I end up back where I should for level 1. But if I go and grab the guitar, now I'm in level 2. See, if I touch a wall, I end up here, which is where I've programmed my level 1 start to be. Because this is the code, which says if you touch a wall, go here. It's not caring about what level I'm in. What I want is if I touch a color, for level 1, go here. For level 2, go here. So that's what we'll have to figure out how to do in the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video.